Right, let's do a bit of Zen Pinball Party, which is available on Apple Arcade at the moment, on iOS, Android users. There is no support for you yet. Wow, it's low volume. We'll leave it about there. This looks interesting. Pinball collection from classics to brand new. Live tournaments. Ooh, exciting. Maybe we can beat somebody. 4-player multiplayer. Funko Pinball Party Arena. What is a Funko Pinball Party Arena? Oh, that was very good. Oh, here we go now. Welcome to the party. Let me show you some tricks from my deep bag of pinball wizardry. Okay. First, let's have a look at the basics, shall we? Sounds good. Tap anywhere in this area to trigger the left flapper. Aha. Excellent. Let's see what else we got. Tap anywhere in this area to trigger the right flapper. Oh, is that what they're called? Flappers? I always call them flippers. Okay, great job. Now check out the advanced stunts. Swipe here to nudge the table. Seems a bit naughty. Splendid, but be careful with nudging. Tables tend to tilt if you are too heavy-handed. Oh, yes, okay. Drag down to release the ball. Aha. Here's a little challenge for you. Reach 1 million points to get a welcome gift. Right. Ooh. Yeah. We might be able to do this. Ah, woohoo. That was pretty good. Oops. I don't like it when it just hovers in the middle. That's like the most dangerous. Ah, twin loop. Yes. Nearly at 1/4 mil. Oh, that was dangerous. Oh. Oh, panic. Ah, that looks pretty good. Oh, twin loop started. Result. Wow, you've completed my challenge way faster than I expected. Great. Perhaps there is a pinball wizard deep within you. First pinball session finished. Oh, wow, look at that. 1.34 million. Fantastic. Adventureland. Congratulations, you just achieved 3 stars and unlocked a new item. Which is some flags, I think. Status bar customization. Tap on the unlocked customization icon to see your status bar shine with a brand new fashion. Find out the right fit. Oh, right, got you. You can change the background of the frame in your profile picture. It also appears on leaderboards. Fantastic. We'll have lightning. Yeah, we'll go with that then. Right. Your pinball journey starts here. Learn all tables and unlock their secrets to improve your final score. Collect all 3 stars by scoring big and get my treasures. Collect them all. Star collection unlocks leaderboards, decorations, and even new mini-games. Right, so that's our introduction now. We've got our first 3 stars. Hooray! And we've got a lot of tables on there, haven't we? We've got Garfield Pinball, Peanuts, Snoopy Pinball, How to Train Your Dragon, Trolls, Kung Fu Panda, My Little Pony Pinball, Biolab, Son of Zeus, Wild West Rampage, Adventureland, Castle Storm, Theatre of Magic, Getaway High Speed 2, Attack from Mars, Medieval Madness, Champion Pub, Black Rose, Junkyard, and Episode 5, The Empire Strikes Back in the Clone Wars from Star Wars Pinball. So there's a lot for us to go out there. We'll try and play each one, I guess, and make a video about them. And then you can catch up with them and see how we do. Can we keep our good streak going? Let us know in the comments if you think we can. And don't forget to like the